Hi there. Raising young birds can be challenging, and most often it is challenging because there's always something waiting to happen. And the moment you put them under intense pressure, then the drama starts happening. So today I want to give you a practical treatment. Basically, for me, it's a crash course. If my youngsters do not perform top, I do that and you get great results within 1 week. So basically the treatment is, first of all, Spiradox. I use the tablet. I give them one tablet for 3 consecutive days, Monday to Wednesday. And canker is always a problem, and whenever there's something serious wrong with your pigeons, you can bargain on it that canker is one of the problems. So in conjunction with this Spiradox, I use the Meditrich canker tablets. I give one on Monday, skip a day, and on Wednesday I repeat it. Just make sure that it's on an empty crop because it can cause vomiting. 2 hours after administration, you can feed the pigeons. And then to prevent any chlamydia from the antibiotic treatment, I use Nystacid drops to prevent any chlamydia. So this I do after the antibiotics treatment, say on a Wednesday evening, and repeat on a Thursday. Then you'll see you have an immediate improvement on performance, and the Spiradox is for the treatment of ornithosis / mycoplasmosis. And during the cold months in South Africa, June and July, that is always a problem. So this is a good combination. You can try it. It did well for me.